is 2. A tree, a car, a cuig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a né, and a de. So that's the basic way of counting 1 to 10. It's going to be very similar when you count nouns, but you're going to notice some differences. Let's look at this word here first of all, bod. That's the Irish word for boat, bod. Now, if we're going to be counting boats, here's how it's going to look. Ein vod a wine, rá vod, trí vod, ceir vod, cuig vod, sé vod, seacht mod, ocht mod, né mod, de mod. So you'll notice there that there are certain similarities and differences when you compare counting nouns to the basic form. For example, bod keeps its singular form. So what I mean by that is we don't say rá body, or we don't say rá báid. It just keeps its singular form with the addition of a H, which we'll get to in a minute. So that's the first thing. The second thing is most of the numbers, when we're counting the noun bod there, most of the numbers are the same as the original simple basic form that I listed out at the start. But two notable differences there are 2 and 4. So you'll notice that it's not dó bod or dó vod, it's rá vod. And 4 as well, it's not ceir vod or ceir bod, it's ceir vod. So those two are always going to be different when you're counting nouns. The rest of them are more or less the same as their original form, but not 2 and 4. So for example, a dó is 2, but 2 nights is gá ihe, gá ihe. A ceir is 4, but 4 books is ceithre leabhar, ceithre leabhar. Another thing you'll notice there is between the numbers 1 and 6, the noun undergoes what you would call lenition. That's the addition of a H there. So it's ein vod a wine, rá vod, as you can see there. But if it's between 7 and 10, the word bod becomes eclipsed with the addition of an M there. The reason for that is because bod starts with a consonant, B. And because the noun starts with a consonant, it undergoes this lenition between 1 and 6 and an eclipse between 7 and 10. If it were to start, if the noun that I mean was to start with a vowel, it would not undergo any lenition between 1 and 6. So for example, gá úl is 2 apples, gá úl. Trí óstán, 3 hotels, trí óstán. That's because the U and the O are vowels. Between 7 and 10, as I said, an eclipse happens if it's a consonant, if the noun begins with a consonant, and the same if it begins with a vowel. So vowels are eclipsed between 7 and 10. So for example, it would be seacht núl, 7 apples, seacht núl. Ocht gobán, 8 cups, ocht gobán. So in summary, nouns keep their singular form. The numbers when you're counting between 1 and 10 is very similar to the basic counting system with the exception of 2 and 4. Consonants can undergo lenition and eclipse, but only vowels get eclipsed. My question for you, which I'd like you to answer in the comment section, is what words are completely exempt from undergoing lenition or eclipse? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be interested to see your answers. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll be back very soon. Slán tamil.